Hey lads, TechScanning here. So Motorola is finally getting ready to launch its first phone in the global market with Android's best ever chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. I'm talking about the Motorola H40 Pro aka Moto X40, which debuted in China in December 2022. However, the global market is most likely to be treated with two variants, an affordable Moto H40 and a more premium Moto H40 Pro. And before any official announcement, we got high quality renders of Moto H40 Pro as well as its key specifications. Starting with the design, we can see design wise there is not a single change. So not bad. Already looks great with those slim bezels and relatively smaller rear camera island than the most phones these days. The phone is set to offer an aluminium frame and Gorilla Glass features on both sides, something that we can expect from a flagship phone. Though the Moto H40 Pro will be equipped with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, but probably the most exciting part of this phone is its 6.7 inches OLED curved display, which sports a super smooth 165 Hz refresh rate. A higher refresh rate means a smooth experience while scrolling and is especially more beneficial for mobile gamers. Usually such a higher refresh rate is given in bulkier gaming specific smartphones like Asus ROG phones. So isn't it great to have both an elegant looking design with high gaming phone like specs? And I think after charging speed, the refresh rate should be the next trend. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Besides the powerful CPU and display, the leaked spec sheet says the Moto H40 Pro will hold the latest 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB UFS 4.0 storage. Moving to the camera department, the Moto H40 Pro will have a 60MP punch-hole style front camera, whereas at the rear we are getting a 50MP main and a 50MP ultra-wide camera with macro capabilities, plus a 12MP telephoto with 2x optical zoom. So no crazy zooming. The Moto H40 Pro will have a decent 4600mAh of battery with impressive 120W wired charging. However, you might get a little disappointed as it only supports 15W wireless charging. Overall, I would say the Moto H40 Pro with these specs will be a solid flagship phone. Now, talking about the more affordable Moto H40, it will not be a bad deal either with MediaTek 8020 chipset, a 144Hz display panel, and a dual camera setup with a main sensor borrowed from the Pro variant. Thankfully, both will offer IP68 water and dust resistant. So, though the launch date and the prices of the handsets are yet to be released officially, we are guessing around $650 for the H40 while around $980 for the Pro variant. So let me know what you think about the Moto H40 Pro. Of course, I will keep you informed on all its upcoming details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.